yak over. Oh, fuck. How's this for fun, jackass? Where, oh where to fish today? That's a great question, ain't it? Is there no one parked over there? I don't think there is, which means I might go stop over here and take a piss. Because Lord knows I need to so badly. But there is a family over there, and I don't want to be considered a sex offender for trying to take a public urination. So let's go find somewhere not public to go pee. And I think I could deal with it right over here. Alright, I'm gonna be right back, guys. Oh, yak over. Wet. Very wet. Slipped and fell. Is there anything that's going to be damaged by that? Nope. Nope. Alright, we're good. I was pulling the kayak, and I just ate shit. Alright. And luckily, when I fell in the water, the only thing at risk was my smokes. Fuck. I almost did it again, guys. Almost did it again. Holy shit, this is slick. Alright, fuck. How are we gonna get in? I think we just have to. We just gotta get in quick and hard. Hard and fast. Hit him with the 1-2 skidoo. Hi, guys. Whew. Alright. Let's do it. Let's do it. God, I am wet now. Honestly, not that upset by it because I cannot stress this enough. It's hot again. It's always fucking hot. Also, I tried a new bait store today. I have no idea how much they charged me because they didn't give me a receipt. So who knows if I'll keep using them. But, yeah, no, I hate that. I'm like, I always try to find the cheapest deal on worms because, you know, it's like a everyday expense for me. And, yeah, so I'm trying to find cheaper worms that aren't Walmart brand. Even though Wally World. So Walmart has them for $4. My local fishing supply has them for $5, or no, $3 at Walmart. That's right. It's really cheap at Walmart. $4 at my local tackle shop that I go to. They're kind of out of the way for fishing this area. They're more up towards Lake Chickamauga. Okay, so we are just slowly creeping towards shore here. That's not good. Okay, and my bait is gone. It's interesting how it gets wrapped around the eyelets. Like, it ties itself into a knot, almost. Man, these worms are really dry. I'm so used to worms being very moist affairs. But these guys are in like a dry, crumbly. I'd assume it's still worm poo. Or worm castings, as they're, you know, politely called. It's worm poo. Man, I still hear thunder. Wow, that's crazy. Like, there's not really much of a cloud cover right now, so I'm hoping it's far off. This is kind of a terrible area. Let's get out of here. I don't like the looks of this area. So there is, close by to here, a nuclear power plant. Yeah, that's right. A big nuclear power plant. And I hear that the tailwaters of said nuclear plant hold some great fishing because the water is extra warm there from coming off the reactor shit, like from the turbine, like being turned into steam and yada yada. None of it's nuclear. None of it's like, you know, they're not pumping waste into the river or something. But yeah, I think that would be pretty dope to go check out. Fish the tailwaters of a nuclear reactor. That's rad. But that would require me paddling a good few miles, and quite frankly, I'm not really there yet. I'm more of a like 1 mile, 2 mile full trip kind of guy, not like a 3 mile there, 3 mile back kind of guy. If it's even that, it's probably like only, you know, honestly, it probably is like a mile there, a mile back. Which, a little sad that I don't want to do that, but you know. Man, I see some real fishy looking stuff along that bank over there. I think I might go do that. There's shoreline over there. There's some shade probably. You ever just wondered what was in the middle of the lake? I'd assume nothing, right? But like, I've always been at the shore thinking, man, I wonder if there's some monsters in the middle of the lake. But I bet they're just near the shoreline. I bet they are. I'm gonna go there. Oh, that's a great view of that. Look at that. See the nukes? Or see the nuclear reactor? Nuclear plant? That's dope, isn't it? Paddling around at the speed of a kayak. It's very slow, like 3 miles an hour. You know, that's true. A kayak speed is like 3 miles an hour. Therefore, if I decided I wanted to get over to that nuclear reactor and do it from over here, right? I would basically be paddling for 2 hours straight. And that's like a good pace. Like, that's not slouch paddling either. You know what? We're gonna turn this way. Because I see an opening over here. Oh, sorry, Mr. Heron. Pissed off a heron. But I see an area I want to fish. And I want to stealth into it a little bit. Okay. Wow. I just let that anchor rope go. That could have gone really poorly. Yeah, my whole bundle of rope could have just gone right into the water there. Like, that was real foolhardy of me. Alright, now that we're tied off, I gotta say, I kind of want to be... Alright, this whole spot looks real fishy. I'm a little upset with myself. I didn't put myself in the shade at all. I guess today we're just an out in the open water kind of boy. Anybody else out there drink mostly diet sodas? I know it can't be good for me. I know it's probably going to cause some type of horrific cancer. But I do drink mostly diet sodas, if I'm not lying to myself. I'm probably good for like 5 a day. That's insane. They're going to make a fucking study about my ass. And it's not going to be a good study either. It's going to be like, he was the first man to drink so much aspartame that his fucking kidneys exploded. That's right. And some other scientists will argue, no, his kidneys didn't explode, they imploded from all the aspartame. It sucked those kidneys right into themselves. A kidney black hole. Never had more trouble sitting than getting a kayak. Wow. I was watching the worm slowly sink down, being like, wow, my hook really slow sinks, followed by, that worm isn't on the hook anymore, is it? Let's hook another. It, quite frankly, is way too hot out here to be doing this whole, the whole sitting in the fucking sunlight in the middle of the water thing, because that ain't gonna do. That just ain't gonna do. I think all the shoreline around here is just terrible for this. Like, it's just covered in plant life. And then over here, there's like an estate home. I don't really want to fish the estate home. I think it's mostly I just don't want to deal with any angry homeowners coming out and being like, what the fuck are you doing fishing my dock? Catching my fish. My goal is to actually get some exercise today and paddle, you know, paddle around a bit. Really explore. I can see a couple fish hanging out around here. Yeah, water's nice. Good temp, not too cold, not too hot. Let's see if we can't get in the shade a little bit. All right, let's see. See if my fish tuition is right. Did I lose it? Oh yeah, I lost my bait already. All right, you know how I feel about losing bait quickly. It's a good sign. Redworm, 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 redworm. I got one. Little itty bitty dude. Ooh, it's a little long ear. I know you love that hook, buddy, but you gotta let it go. Thank you. Ooh, look at him. Oh, he's under me. He's hitting me in the balls, guys. Okay. All right, I know, little buddy. Come here, then. Sheesh. Yeah, look at him. God damn it. No, not again. Get out of here. I'm really good at showing fish off, aren't I? All right, long ear. Long-eared sunfish. That's our first species of the day. Ooh, we got some boat wake. Is that a fish? Oh, that is a fish. Whoa, 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 fish. Holy dick. Oh, fuck. That's a big shellcracker who gut hooked the fuck out of my bait. Thank God I thought I left the forceps in the car. You may live yet, little buddy. So I got the hook, but I can't get it to back itself out. All right, little guy, I'm sorry. Nope. Nope. I think he's a keeper, guys. Yeah, I think he's a... Oh, nope, there he goes. Oh, I feel bad. Alright, well, he swam off. We got a red ear. We're going to be more cautious from here on out. Let's do it. Let's put on a new hook. And try not to think about that poor red ear, who I should have eaten. Next time that happens, guys, remind me just to eat the fucking fish. I don't know why I was like over here dancing around him, like being like, oh, maybe I can, yeah, like I get trying. Trying is good. I'm always going to try to save the fish. But like, look at him. Come here, you. He's still right here. Come here. Oh, come here. Oh, all right. Well, I almost grabbed him again. That's just how fucked up he is. He's... Golly, that hurts. That really upsets me. I can't believe I almost grabbed that fish again. Oh man. Whoa, I just got like seasick. That's unpleasant. Whew, yeah, that's bad. The water is really, really wiggly. Jesus, something made some waves, man. Thought I'd be safe from seasickness on a lake, but alas. Alas, we do not get such relief. Holy shit, if this doesn't fucking stop soon, I'm gonna puke. Oh, Jesus. Whoever caused this, I hate you. Alright guys, it looks like you got turned off when I fell in the water, or when the shit fell in the water. I fucked up. There is a storm on the horizon, and we are making a run. We are far from shore. There is lightning and badness. Oh, goddamn. Oh. If there's ever a time I shouldn't be out in the fucking middle of a damn lake. God, I'm smart. Oh, fuck, I'm seeing lightning strike. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Yeah, that's a lot of wind, that's a lot of lightning. That's a whole lot. Get the fuck out of here. Remember, folks, look at your weather app. If it says there's going to be thunderstorms at 7 o'clock, just don't go. Oh, fuck. Can't start getting tired now. Tired out now. Oh, we're in a world of hurt. Come on. Come on. God, my back was facing this the whole damn time. I didn't see it blowing in. I was facing the shore. I was so caught up fishing and then vomiting from nausea because seasickness. I didn't even realize just how bad shit got. Like, it's right above me now. Fuck. Let's really hope we don't get fucking electrocuted, folks. God, I can't. You know, yesterday I was smarter. Yesterday I came here and I said, that looks way too risky to go out on the water right now. And I sat there, I fished from shore for a little while until the rain cleared. I didn't go out that day. Should have done that today. Should have heard the thunder in the fucking distance and taken it for the fucking warning it was. But no, Johnny wants to go out and experience some fun. How's this for fun, jackass? Oh, thank God. I think we made it, folks. I don't want to speak too soon, but there's shore. And I'm not dead. I love that for me. I'm not gonna feel safe until I'm out of the water and in my car. So I don't know how much I'm gonna record. I don't know how much is gonna get filmed. I don't even know if this audio is coming out right now because I dropped the whole fucking kayak almost tipped and my phone went in the water along with my microphone receiver. So who knows if any of this is fucking usable. Holy shit, we did it. I don't even care. I don't even care. Drag the yak fucking all over. Drag the yak under or over all the rocks. Fuck it. Just get me the hell out of here. All right, folks. That was really stupid of me. Man, I read the weather report and it said possible rain and thunderstorm at 7 o'clock. I don't know exactly what time it is now. Let's see. Let's find out. Yeah, so thunderstorms at 7, like maybe. Oh, fuck my back. Maybe at 7. It's 4:30 right now, and the weather has taken a turn for the worst. So I think I need to learn a lesson from this one. If there's any thunderstorms possible in the day, we're not going out on the water. Because that was scary. Thank y'all for watching. Catch you next time. Whew.